Welcome back to another video of Cricket Thrill. In India, cricket is a driving force for many, and youngsters often take up the sport in order to break through to the national cricket team in future. Thus, the competition is intense in every level, and the job doesn't get any easier even after featuring for a Team India at the international level. A bad series or an inconsistent runs in the specialized department can cost anyone his or her career. The same case was happened with talented former opener Wasim Jaffer. Despite being regarded as one of the finest and most elegant batsmen, Wasim Jaffer ended his career playing only 31 test matches for India, while he remained a big name in the domestic circus from 1996 to 2020. The right-handed opening batsman never played a game for India after 2008. Wasim Jaffer born 16 February 1978. He was right-handed opening batsman and occasional right-arm off-spin break bowler. He is currently the highest run scorer in Ranji Trophy cricket, surpassing Amol Muzumdar in November 2018. He became the first batsman to score 11,000 runs in the competition. In January 2019, he has become the most capped player in Ranji Trophy history with the appearance of his 146th match, surpassing Madhya Pradesh Davindra Bundla. He was appointed as batting coach for Bangladesh cricket team in March 2020. Wasim Jaffer was 15-year-old when a prolific school career including an inning of 400 not out. He made his entry into the first-class cricket and scored a triple century in his second match. The inning of 314 not out helped set a series of firsts for Mumbai. It was the first occasion that a batsman had made a triple century for Mumbai away from home, and in putting on 450 runs with his opening partner Sulakhan Kulkarni. The pair became the first from Mumbai to pass 400. Such was his temperament during the 675-minute stay that it was hard to believe he was playing only his second match. What was more praiseworthy was the youngster's ability to find gaps at will. In his test career so far, Wasim Jaffer has 5 centuries, of which 2 were double centuries. He has test centuries against Pakistan, England, West Indies and South Africa. In 2013 season, Wasim Jaffer travelled to England where he played for Ainsdale CC in the LDCC League. Here he joined a successful first half of the season, scoring multiple centuries and had a strike rate of 97.93 and top scorer of 153 not out. Injury curtailed his time at Ainsdale as he had to return home to India for an operation on his knee. Wasim Jaffer, the opening batsman with the style of Mohammad Azharuddin. Much was expected as he entered Test cricket in a home series against South Africa in 2000. However, the experienced bowlers Sean Pollock and Alan Dolan proved too difficult for him to cope with, and he managed just 46 runs from his 4 innings. He would not start another international match for some time, eventually returning in May 2002 for a tour of the West Indies. Wasim Jaffer had a respectable series, making 51 in Bridgetown and 86 at Antigua. He had done enough to be included in the Indian squad for the Tours of England the following summer, but despite a half century at Lords, he struggled in his own other innings and he was dropped after 2 tests. Wasim Jaffer was recalled to the Test squad for the Tour of Pakistan 2005-2006 in the wake of excellent domestic form, but did not play in the Test. It was in the next series in India that Jaffer scored his maiden Test century, exactly 100 against England at Nagpur, in his first Test since his recall. He made his Test double century at the Antigua ground against the West Indies in June 2006. His 212 was made in over 500 minutes. During the second inning was the equal second highest by Indian opening batsman in the Caribbean. In July 2006, his position as Indian first choice opener with partner Virender Sehwag was confirmed via the award of central contract by the BCCI. Wasim Jaffer ODI debut came in November 2006 against South Africa, but he was unproductive and was immediately dropped. However, he continued to score score in the Test format, making his third Test century against South Africa at Newlands. Despite making a pair in the opening Test of his next series against Bangladesh at Chittagong, he returned to form with 138 in the following Test before retiring hurt. Wasim Jaffer scored 202 in the first innings of the second Test of the 2000 series against Pakistan at Eden Gardens. In November 2018, in the third round of the 2018-19 Ranji Trophy against Baroda, Wasim Jaffer became the first batsman to score 11,000 runs in the Ranji Trophy. The following month, in round 7 of the tournament, he scored his 55th century in first-class cricket. Later the same month, he equalled the record for playing is the most matches in the Ranji Trophy with 145. He was the leading run scorer for Vidarbha in the group stage of the 2018-19 Ranji Trophy with 763 runs in 8 matches. In the quarter-final match of the tournament against Uttarakhand, he scored his 19,000 runs in first-class cricket. In the opening round of 2019-20 Ranji Trophy, Wasim Jaffer became the first cricketer to play in 150 matches in the Ranji Trophy. Wasim Jaffer also captained Mumbai to their 38th and 39th Ranji Trophy title, as well as overseeing West Zone 16 Duleep Trophy success in early 2010. Overall, Wasim Jaffer played 260 first-class games, scoring 19,410 runs at an average of 50.67. In his first-class career, Jaffer scored 5,791 50s, with 314 being his highest score. After retiring from international cricket, he said, "A heartfelt thanks to the selectors who showed faith in me. My gratitude to all the captains I played under and my colleagues from whom I learned so much about the game and shared some lifetime memories. I would also like to thank all the sports staff who were a constant pillar of sport in my long journey. Thank you to the BCCI, Mumbai Cricket Association and Vidarbha Cricket Association for giving me the opportunity to represent them. My father wanted one of his sons to represent India and I feel proud to have fulfilled his dream. After all these years in cricket, it is time to move on. But just like the red ball format, which is very dear to me, it is the end of only the first inning. I am looking forward to the second innings in any capacity, might be in coaching, commentary, it is. As long as I stay involved with the game, as this game has given me so much." So he was extremely talented batsman. So he will be remained in the cricket lovers for the coming years. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.